Hi, I'm here today to give you instructions on how to use the O-Net to explore your work values. From the assignment page, you will scroll halfway and you will see a link that will take you to the O-Net online page. Click on the link. Once you are on the page, you're going to scroll down to the Advanced Search button. You will find Work Values, then click on the arrow button. On this page, you will see a list of different work values. Please read these descriptions and select the one that is most important to you to have in the workplace. There are no better answers. There is no right answer. This is a self-report of what is important to you. Once you've made that decision, click on the name. It will populate that in your number 1 box. Then you will select something from number 2. You will select something from number 3, then click on Go. It will give you a list of occupations where those work values can be found. For the assignment, you will write down your number 1 value, your number 2 value, and your number 3 value in the text box in Canvas for the assignment.